Hello, welcome to day 21 of 30 days React challenge. So let's start. Let's see. State mismatch. Okay, 77.8% acceptance rate. Ed has just started learning React. He seems to have run into a roadblock when trying to console.log the latest state of count. It always shows the previous button's state. This is the same problem that we ran in the last video. I did not solve it there because it was not required. And I think in early videos we have solved this. And I know this concept. I just want to read the question first. Can you understand why this code is not doing this? The test case of this lab will pass if you increment the count when console logging. However, okay, they have mentioned don't cheat basically. Let's run this and see the current state. Toggle, and we can see 1 is here and 0 is here, 2, and it should be 2, but we are setting the state first. So the issue with this is use state works asynchronously. So basically this has been called, but before it finishes, the code has already moved ahead and this got logged. So this action is not fully finished yet. So I think for that what we can do is, they have already done this, but I think we'll just have to convert this into a state function. And if we are doing that, then we can bring this console inside and maybe this one, const new count is equals to this, and return this. So what will happen is, as soon as the count gets I'll show you one thing actually. Okay, now let's run this and click on this button, and you will see actually count. Okay, that's my mistake, sorry. This is not required. That concept is completely different. It's fine. Let's rerun. So now it should have been fixed. If we click on here, we can see 1 1 1 1, because now this is working asynchronously, but this entire code itself is working synchronously. Okay, and we are updating the new count fully, we are logging it, and then we are returning it this value. And what it means is that this value will get set to set count basically. So I think all the test cases should pass. I'm not sure if the log statement is correct or not. Have we? I don't think we changed anything in this, or we might have. Increment button should exit. They have the latest count. Okay, great. So it worked. It was a short one, but I think this is a very common problem, so it's nice to deal it separately. That's it. Do comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.